The name of this story is Obsession. 執着 Obsession. For example, you can say, oh, that man is obsessed with money. He's always thinking about making money, what a greedy man he is. Or sometimes you can say, oh, that man is obsessed with this position. He is sticking to that. Nobody wants him as a boss, but he wants to leave. What a selfish man he is. There may be some things you want to get badly. I want to get it. There may be some things you can't easily give up. I can't give it up. If you feel that way, you are obsessed. There may be some people who are obsessed with something so much that they can't give it up even after death. This is a story of such obsession. By the way, in Japan, in the past, there was a kitchen device calledへっつい. It's a kind of cooking stove made of ceramic with a large pot on top of it with some empty space underneath. You put some firewood to cook rice and other dishes. This was an essential item in the kitchen in the past. One man who is crazy about gambling. Do you know this gesture? This is a gesture of a form of Japanese traditional gambling with a cup and dice. One man who is crazy about gambling passed by one shop. He noticed one goodへっつい. Wow, this is a greatへっつい, great cooking stove. It must be perfect in my kitchen. Okay, I will buy it. Hello, yes, what can I do for you? I want to buy this cooking stove. How much is it? Oh, you want to buy this. I'm sorry, I can't sell it to you. You can't? But it's on display. Is it reserved by someone? No, it is not reserved. Let me explain. Well, I found this cooking stove in an empty apartment of a deserted building. The resident of the apartment died, and he had no family members, so I was allowed to take anything from his apartment. But most of the things he had were pieces of junk, but thisへっついwas in good condition, so I brought it here. I cleaned it, and I put it for sale. Somebody bought it soon, but that buyer came back to my shop late at night. He knocked on the door so hard. Please open the door. I opened it and asked him what had happened. He said, I can't stand this terrible, scary, cursed cooking stove. Please buy it back. I bought it back. Because he had used it one time, I paid only half the price I got when I sold it. So I made some money. And I put it for sale again. Somebody bought it soon. But that buyer too came back to my apartment late at night. He knocked on the door so hard. Please buy it back. Please buy it back. I bought it back. The same thing happened 5 or 6 times. Each time I paid only half the price I got when I sold it. So I made a lot of money, but I realized the number of customers kept decreasing. So I thought those buyers may be spreading bad rumors about this shop. I thought, okay, it's not such a good idea to keep selling this. I decided to destroy it and throw it away. What? Throw it away? Don't do it. Don't do it. I'll buy it. How much is it? Oh, after hearing this story, you still want to buy it? Okay. You can take it home. You don't have to worry about the money. I'll give it to you on one condition. If you start using it, and if you don't like it, don't bring it here. Just dispose of it yourself. Okay, it's understood perfectly. Thank you very much. He brought it home and started using it late that night. Oh, suddenly, I feel so cold and sick. What is causing this? Is this because of this cooking stove? Something weird must be happening in there. Okay, I will witness what is happening. Come out, whatever you are. Hey, who are you? Ulambeshi, I hate you. I have grudges, Ulambeshi. Shut up! This is the first time I see you. I've never done anything wrong to you. Just stop it! Calm down, please. Please calm down. Well, I said, Ulam Messiah, but not because I hate you. This is a kind of greeting of all the ghosts. We are supposed to say this every time we appear in front of somebody alive. Wow, you are such a great, brave man. I don't want a ghost to praise me, but I'm telling you the truth. Every time I appear in front of somebody alive, they are shocked, they jump, they panic, and they run away. But you are talking to me like this. Wow, wow, I admire you. I admire you. I like you. Could you please listen to my story? There's a story I want to share with you. I never expected to be a counselor for a ghost. Okay? Okay, go ahead. This must be one of your rare opportunities. I'm ready to listen to you. Just go ahead. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Before I died, I was a carpenter. I think I was a good carpenter. My boss, my co-workers, and my friends, my customers praised my work. I was good, but I had a bad habit. My bad habit was gambling. I went to the casino every day. My boss told me to stop it, but I couldn't. I lost a lot of money. I made a huge amount of debt. I couldn't possibly pay back that huge amount. So one day I decided, okay, this is going to be the last time. If I still lose this money, I will kill myself. I borrowed some money and went to the casino, but surprisingly, I kept winning that day. I continued to win all day. I managed to pay off all my debts, and additionally, I made 250 ryo. 250? That's a huge amount of money. Then what happened? I came home and I broke one part of this cooking stove. And I buried 200 ryo and sealed it with plaster. Mister, can you believe 200 ryo is in this cooking stove? What? 200 ryo is in this cooking? Wow. Then what happened? I still had the 50 ryo. I didn't work. I went out for drinks every night. I was drunk every night. One night, I was so drunk that I tripped on a rock and I fell from my face. I hit my head so hard on the edge of a ditch. I started bleeding a lot. My head was in dirty water. I couldn't breathe. I thought, oh, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I died. You know, if you die, you're supposed to go to the dead man's world. You might call it heaven or hell. I don't know what it is like, but you're supposed to go to the dead man's world. But I can't, because I'm obsessed with this money. I can't go to the dead man's world. I sometimes receive messages from Emma. You know, Emma is the king of the dead man's world. He tells me, you don't belong there. You belong to my world. You are already dead. Give up the money and come to my world. But I can't. I'm obsessed with this money. I can't go to the dead man's world. Every time somebody buys this cooking stove, I appear in front of them. I want to ask them to break and dig out this money. But whenever I appear in front of them, they are shocked. They jump, they panic and run away. Even though I want to make friends with them, I can't talk to them. But Mister, you are talking to me like this. I'm so happy. Mister, could you please break one part of this cooking stove and dig out the money? Of course. Of course. Yes, of course. On one condition. Give me half. Give me 100 ryo for helping you. What? Half? 100? That's a rip-off. Bottakuri, that's how about 5%? No. I spent a lot of money to buy this cooking stove. I don't want to damage it. You are lying. You are lying. I listened to the conversation between you and the shopmaster. You paid nothing. Shut up. I don't want to damage it. If you're not going to give me 100 ryo, I will not help you. Just disappear. Don't say disappear. You sound so cold. Okay. How about 10%? No. 5%, 10%, don't be stingy. Come on, give me half. Come on, give me half, 100, give me half. Oh, you might go. Okay, give me half, or give it up. Give me half, or disappear. Don't say disappear. Okay, okay. I'll give you half. Good decision, good decision, wise decision. Okay, which part of the cooking stove did you bury the money in? He broke one part of the cooking stove and dug out the money. Oh. Wow, you are right. 200 billion. Great. Okay, this is for you. 100. Take it. This is my 100. Wow, this is great. Okay, take it. Go wherever you want. Go wherever you want. Just disappear. Don't say disappear. You sound so cold. I can't give up your share. I can't give up your money. Yes, I agreed. I promised to give it to you, but I just can't give it up. Mister, how about this? Why don't we bet each other's money and play a game? Let's gamble. Wow. Even after this, you can't stop gambling. But I advise you not do that. If you bet all your money, you might lose everything. It's better to keep half than to lose everything in gambling. Losing everything in gambling has happened to me many times in the past. I'm used to it. I just can't give up your share. Please, please play a game with me. Please play a game. Okay. If you insist. This is my cup and my 2 dice. Okay, let me show you. Okay, dice in the cup. Covered. Here, 2 and 2, even number 2. Okay, one more time. Dice in the cup. Covered. 3 and 4, odd number 1. Okay, this is a real game. Now, dice in the cup. Covered. Okay, which one will you bet on? 2, even number, or 1, odd number? Hey, you can't see inside. Come on, bet. Which one will you bet on? 2 or 1? I will bet on 2. Even number. Okay, then I will bet on 1. Okay, are you ready? Here you go. 5 and 6, odd number 1. Hey, are you okay? I never expected to see a ghost or lose consciousness. Hey, are you okay? Okay. Hey, oh, okay. Pull yourself together. Now you must face the reality. You bet all your money and you lost everything. You have no money. This is all my money. Give it up and just disappear. Don't say disappear. Mister, thank you very much for winning all my money. What? Why do you look so happy so suddenly, huh? I lost all my money. I'm almost released from my obsession. I'm almost ready to go to the dead man's world. You saved me. You helped me. Really? I helped you. Really? Okay. Good. That makes me feel good. But you said something really weird. You said you are almost released from the reality, almost ready to go to the dead man's world. Why almost? Why not perfectly, mister? I have just a little bit of obsession left. In another part of the cooking stove, I had buried tenryo. Could you please take it out and play game with me one more time?